can be converted into this petrol or diesel, whatever you want. And how much petrol or diesel will be converted? It would be, it is
1
short.
kg of propylene will convert 900 ml of petrol or diesel.
And in other forms of plastic as well, it can definitely, minimum it can convert 700 ml to 900 ml. Maximum 900 and maximum minimum is 700. That statistics, it will depend on the efficiency of the process, presence of the oxygen, if there it is, and it will depend on that. And also the type of plastic we are using.
PVCs.
What is the last product left after this process?
It is the first we got that part of
No, digester. What is left after?
in this
Actual distillator.
Sir,
In your first chamber where you have filled that plastic.
yes, sir, here we are giving it heat. We can just directly
Complete plastic will be converted into vapors.
no
Something will be left.
Yeah.
What is that?
So definitely the products will be, first of all, it will be hydrogen, ethane, butane, propane. They will be the gases. When they will be liquidized from, they will produce a oil, which we say is biodiesel. And further, it could be converted into diesel or petroleum after
Do we need any catalyst in that chamber?
in catalytic.
No. Do we need any catalyst in that chamber?
Once it is added, it will start transferring if it is filled once. Kindly pour the water. Then it will transfer to this chamber. Once this chamber is again filled, the water will remain the same, but the actual compost, or we can say the actual matter, the sludge, will start degrading. Because it is all the natural process which we face in the setting time. And it will start degrading and definitely it will compress. The sludge will compress, water will remain the same. So this is the motive is that you are giving a separate space in your home for this way to vegetable awareness about this. There are function sounds, but they are very limited numbers.
Yes, sir, but we have
You have covered these leaves with what?
cement. Sir, these leaves are made up of chlorophyll, acetic acid, grease peas, water, and cornstarch. These are the artificial and made in by us, and we are working on this from 2 weeks.
ठीक है. So mainly though you have used the chlorophyll.
Yes, and it also produces oxygen. Let me show you the practical demonstration. Please closer.
These are producing oxygen.
Yes, sir.
Instead of using this battery, why don't you use a small bulb and that can be glow itself with the help of leaf? It seems to be just like the batteries in function.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Instantly, spontaneously they are producing oxygen.
Yes, ma'am. These are the artificial leaves which are also producing oxygen and electricity both.
How long? For how long?
For it has the chlorophyll and it works
So
for
it is going to extinguish.
2 to 3 weeks.
See. That was the oxygen may be present in the vessel only.
Yes.
That is a possibility.
Mummy, it is not completely vacuumed. That's why it is doing. But we have do the practicals since today and many times. But this is blowing.
Do one thing.
Yes.
You collect this oxygen in a gas jar.
Gas jar.
Then you will be able to identify.
Okay, sir. We will do more work for this.
Then only it will be confirmed.
Yes.
There's a sufficient amount of oxygen from the atmosphere already stored in this vessel. This is the reason behind it.
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
That's
sir.
a doubt.
Yes.
So in this way you can change little bit approach.
Okay, sir.
Then we can come to a conclusion your oxygen is coming out. Right?
We will do more work. Thank you, sir.
To find better alternatives. Regarding that, we have prepared a bunch of 3 ideas to save electricity for the very first both day and night times. So you can charge the batteries in the daytime from the solar panels, and then you can reflect the light through our bottles in nighttime also. Now this is the water solution in which I have mixed the bleach, and
areas where electricity is not very much.
Now I would request my team members to provide you the badges of our team 011.
Home refrigerator uses 300 to 800 watts of electricity. That is almost 28% of the total electricity bill. Isn't that too much? So finally we have no bill, only chill refrigerator. We have planter. We have used holy Indian soil in which we will be placing sand, as it was known that sand becomes cold at night time. Then we will be pouring water all around the sand, and then we will be covering it with a wet cloth, and we will be placing a mud pot inside it and also a mud plate. Through this arrangement, this mud pot will behave like a refrigerator, preserving our fruits and vegetables for a period of time. As when electricity goes out, shutting down of fridges also led to a lot of wastage of food. So this can be mended with this our Himkosh refrigerator. And then for a testimony, you can see a clear stark difference between the temperature of inside the pot and outside the difference. And for that I would like to offer you some fresh preserved fruits which are preserved in this Himkosh refrigerator only.
Should I cut it?
Sir, please, this is a file we are
This is
preparing.
our requirement of all these things.
Inner shell, that is project based on conservation of energy.
Yes, yes.
Sir, now
Needs of the future are.
Going to 5 weeks never finish.
soil of our own country, in which we have placed some hollow cylinders wounded with wires and placed in a wooden frame. Here we have a water pump which will be draining out the water on the top of this, and our soil will convert any type of air into the cold air.
So where we can place it?
Ma'am, we can place it in place of coolers, in place of AC, or on the windows of the house, or
रेस्टोरेंट है, they have made a complete wall of it. वो उसमें ट्यूब्स हैं.
so we are actually inspired from the
So for the key features of our model art, it enhances quality life for all citizens, it ensures environmental sustainability and resilience, it reduces wastewater generation, it also incorporates between renewable energy sources, and it is also intelligent transportation.
But use one word there, sustainability of the environment. What is sustainability?
Sir, which has the balance of all the human beings and the
sustainable fountain technologies we are using in this model are, the first one is
is first a filtration tank which consists of three membranes. The first one is polymeric membrane, second is ceramic membrane, and third one is cellular membrane.
इसमें से थोड़ी आएगी
Water is in the heating chamber, and this with the help of sunlight and parabolic mirrors, the water is heated, which converts the water into its vapor. Then these vapor are moved to the cooling chamber, in which these are left to condense, and then they form liquid water. Then the water which is formed is passed through a demineralization tank, in which the minerals are added, such as calcium and magnesium. Then they form the potable water which can be used.
Next is grey water management system. This system collects
One line. The theme of your
it is just as I told you before, it's a perfect balance between environment and urbanization. Environment, the nature, what are the things that nature are providing us? We are utilizing it for our use, but we are trying to damage the least. We are trying to least damage the
in the
earth.
future with each step.
You are going to use natural resources judiciously, right? As per the need.
Yes. We are not in greed. We are just in need.
and the other thing we have made is of bricks, which is made up of plastic bricks. The bricks are made by this is either pure water. This is the pure water. This is either pure water.
large amount of energy create, which can charge a battery over a time and can use for various applications.
Now let me walk you through our setup. Here we have connected 20 piezoelectric sensors in parallel to maximize the current output. Now these sensors are connected to a hard base over which we can apply footsteps or the foot pressure. Now it is connected to a bridge rectifier which converts the alternating current coming from the sensors to the direct current.
Yes.
This direct current is used.
This is producing AC.
Yes sir. We will put it under the. Now if we apply pressure on it, this bulb will blink. And I have connected this higher microfarad capacitor which can store the more charge and easy to charge the battery. By this battery we can use any of the appliances. It can be easily stored in the traffic areas.
We first demonstrate with a small capacitor and LED light. When small pressure is applied, the LED light lights. On the other hand, there is large capacitor which stores energy in the battery. And with enough energy stored, it can be used to power certain small electronic devices.
Let me show you the practical. If we apply pressure on it, you can see the LED is blinking. This LED, yes, you can see. But if I connect this to the larger capacitor, it will store much energy as compared to these small. But it takes some little time, about 2 to 3 minutes. So we charge it before. We can see the charge stored in the capacitor. It is the charge stored in the capacitor, not in the battery. So we can charge the battery from this. It's the charging indicator that battery is charging. So if we install it in the high traffic area like metro stations, like Delhi metro stations, where about 2 lakh of people move. If we think about 10% of the people are stepping on this, then it can generate about 129 units in a year. That is maximum. It only needs a one-time cost in the installation, and it needs maintenance after about 20 years.
Take it. What is the basic principle behind these?
Sir, these piezoelectric sensors work on the pressure difference. Yes.
Do you know piezoelectricity?
Yes sir, piezoelectric effect होता है सर.
What is that?
सर मतलब जब इसमें वो प्रेशर डालते हैं तो उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्लो करते हैं, मतलब डाइपोल क्रिएट होता है. In the same way, if we apply the current to it, it will vibrate also. It will use in buzzer plates also. So we are using it opposite way. Yes ma'am. That is. Thank you.
कल्पना है स्मार्ट सिटी की, क्या एक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से पूरी हो जाएगी या कुछ और भी सोचे?
सर अभी इसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का ही सोचा है कि जैसे कि हायर ट्रैफिक एरियाज़ है, वहाँ से हम अब जो ऑनगोइंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है उसके साथ इसको एम्बेड करते हैं तो हम और एनर्जी का आउटपुट ले सकते हैं इन द मिनिमम कॉस्ट. Yes,
Electricity can be saved.
Yes,
Other devices can also be used.
Yes.